Welcome to our guide on managing site-specific issues for a thriving garden and healthy hedge plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will help you build the foundation for a beautiful and flourishing outdoor space. Tip 1. Know your soil. Understanding your soil is key to successful gardening. Test your soil to determine its pH level and composition. Different plants thrive in different soil types, so knowing what you're working with will help you choose the right plants and amendments for your garden. Tip 2. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are well suited to your specific site conditions. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, moisture levels, and soil type. Native plants are often a great choice as they are adapted to your local environment and require less maintenance. Tip 3. Plan for proper drainage. Good drainage is essential for healthy plants. Ensure that water can easily drain away from your garden beds to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and other problems. Incorporate features like sloped terrain, French drains, or raised beds to improve drainage if needed. Tip 4. Maintain healthy soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful garden. Add organic matter such as compost, mulch, or aged manure regularly to improve soil structure, fertility, and moisture retention. This will create a thriving ecosystem for your plants and support beneficial soil organisms. Tip 5. Provide adequate watering. Water your plants deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth and drought tolerance. Monitor soil moisture levels regularly and adjust your watering schedule based on weather conditions and plant needs. Consider using drip irrigation or soaker hoses to deliver water directly to the roots and minimize evaporation. Tip 6. Control pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common pests and diseases that can affect your garden and hedge plants. Practice good garden hygiene by removing weeds, debris, and diseased plants promptly. Consider using natural remedies or integrated pest management techniques to control pests while minimizing harm to beneficial insects and wildlife. Tip 7. Prune regularly. Regular pruning helps maintain the shape, size, and health of your hedge plants. Prune away dead or diseased branches, as well as any crossing or overcrowded growth. Aim to prune at the appropriate times for each plant species to promote vigorous growth and flowering. By following these tips and adapting them to your specific site conditions, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving garden and healthy hedge plants. Happy gardening!